I just watched AI apply for 47 jobs and while I ate lunch. Hey, first name. What if your AI didn't just talk, it actually did the work? No more copy-paste prompts, no more let me think loops, no more babysitting ChatGPT. Manos, now part of Meta, was the first real hands-on AI agent. It opens your browser, uses your real IP and logins, clicks, types, scrolls, and finishes entire tasks end-to-end completely autonomously. Builds complete websites in one prompt. Turns 10-page PDFs into investor-ready slides. Applies to job boards with your resume attached. Does deep research across 50 tabs and hands you a perfect summary. Books flights, replies to LinkedIn, scrapes data, runs spreadsheets. Real users are calling it the intern that never sleeps and never asks for a raise. And right now you can start over 100% free, no card required. Click here and give Manus one real task in the next 60 seconds. Watch it work. Then tell me it's not the most insane thing you've seen in AI this year. Your future self and your to-do list will thank you. The Manus team, Meta. P.S. The free tier is limited. The people who jump in today are the ones getting 10x'd first. Don't sleep on this. Variant 2. Facebook Instagram ad. Short viral hook plus CTA. Headline, big bold. ChatGPT talks. Manus does. The body fit. Tired of AI that only gives you instructions? Manus is the AI that actually clicks, types, and ships. It lives inside your browser, uses your accounts, and finishes the job while you're in a meeting. Websites built, research done. Slides created, applications submitted. Now part of Meta, already changing how top founders and teams work? Free to start. Tap the link and watch it work in 30 seconds flat. The button that says try for free is waiting for you. Variant 3, long-form sales letter style, perfect for landing page or sales email. Aww. Headline. The end of prompt engineering. Odds of headlines. Meet Manus, the autonomous AI agent that doesn't chat, it executes. It now officially part of Meta. Dear name. For years we've been stuck in the same loop. Type a prompt, get an answer, fix it yourself, repeat 47 times. That era just died. Manus is different. It's not another chatbot, it's a real AI agent with hands. It opens tabs, logs into your accounts, fills forms, clicks buttons, reads your emails, analyzes data, builds landing pages, creates pitch decks, applies for jobs, and delivers finished work, all while you do literally anything else. Real examples people are posting daily. I asked Manus to build me a SaaS landing page. It did it in 11 minutes with custom code and design. And got 3 remote job offers this week because Manus applied to 50+ roles with my resume while I was at the gym. I turned my messy Notion notes into a 40-slide investor deck that looked better than my designers. Why Manus feels like magic. That works in your actual browser. Real IP, real cookies, no fake sandboxes. True autonomy. It plans, adapts, and finishes multi-hour tasks without you. Yeah, credit-based pricing, free tier to play, pro starts at $20 mo, way cheaper than hiring help. Are now backed by Meta, the same people who know how to scale intelligence. Ready to 10x your output? 2 buttons. 1 choice. A button 1, free. Start for free right now, https:/manus.im. Button 2, smart. Upgrade to pro after you see it work. Most people do within 10 minutes. No catch, no sales call, no credit card for the free tier, just pure holy shot, this actually works, energy. Click the button and give it your hardest task today. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome to Hands-On AI. Manus Meta. P.S. The free credits go fast and early users are already getting unfair advantages. The longer you wait, the more your competitors pull ahead.
Start here. https:/manus.im.
Copy, tweak the name, and fire these out. These hooks are engineered to stop scrolls and spark, I need to try this now. Reactions. Want more variants? Twitter thread style, video script, or cold DM version? Just say the word and I'll crank them out in 2 minutes. Each sentence can be long if the input requires it, but must not exceed 30 words. If a sentence is longer, split it into 2 or more natural sentences without altering the content.